myself Jyoti IS, tutor of Saraswati Tuition, Davangere. Welcome to my class, Maths with Jyoti Ma'am. It's a class for 7th standard students, CBSE, NCERT and also for Karnataka state students. In that chapter 2, fractions and decimals, exercise 2.2, the 5th main, find 1/2 of 24 and 46. We have to find 1/2 of means we have to put multiply. 1/2 of 24 is one problem and one next is 1/2 of 46 is another problem. Let us do this. 1/2 of 24 and this one. 1/2 of 24 means 2 ones are, here also 2 ones are and 2 twos are. Multiply 12 with 1, that is equals to 12. 1/2 of 24 is 12. Here 1/2 of 46 is 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 threes are, that is equals to 23. Next 2/3 of 18, that is 2/3. We have to take this fraction. In the place of put multiplication symbol and then 18. And simplify this by dividing 18 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 sixes are. And multiply 2 with the 6. 2 6 are 12. And then the second problem. 2/3 of means multiplication 27. Divide. We have to simplify this. For that, divide 27 by 3. That is 3 ones are, 3 nines are. 9 into 2 is 9 twos are 18. Okay, students. So the following. Next, 3/4 of means into 60. That is equals to 4 ones are, 4 fours are, 4 threes are 12. Next. 3/4 of 36, that is equals to 4 ones are, 4 nines are. We are dividing 36 by 4 and then multiplying 3 into 9, that is 27. Next 4/5 of 20, that is first one is 4/5 of means into 20 and then we are simplifying, dividing 20 by 4, 5. 5 ones are, 5 fours are. Then multiply 4 with the 4, 4 fours are 16. Next, 4/5 of means into 35. Divide 35 by 5, 5 ones are, 5 sevens are. 4 into 7 is 28. Okay, understood students? Okay, next move to the next main, 6th main. Understood? Okay, 6th main is multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. First, what we have to do? We have to multiply. It is 3 into 5, 1/5. Okay. And then 5 into 6, 3/4. And then 7 into 2, 1/4. And then 4 into 6, 1/3. Next is 3 1/4 into 6. Okay, look at the heading multiply. First what we have to do, multiply. multiply it and then express as a mixed fraction. First we have to know here one is whole number is given along with a mixed fraction is given. Again we have to convert the whole into mixed fraction. That is 3 into. Do you know how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction? We have to multiply 5 into 5 plus 1. 5 5 is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26 by 5. We are simplifying it with 26 by 5. We have to multiply now 26 into 3. 6 3 is 18 into 6 is 78 by 5. We got 78 by 5. Now convert, this is an improper fraction. Now convert this into again the mixed fraction. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 28, 5 5s are 25 is equals to 3. We have to write, I told you how we have to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. Q or by D is nothing but quotient into remainder by divisor. Quotient is, here this is quotient and this is remainder and this is divisor. First write quotient, remainder is 3 by divisor. Okay students, understood? It's very easy, simple steps are there. Now 5 into 6 3 by 4. Here we can make easy with converting 6 3 by 4 is nothing but 6 4s are 24 plus 3. Otherwise 4 6 are 24 plus 3 is 27 by 4. Here we have to multiply 5 with 27 by 4. That is equals to 7 5 is 35. 5 2 is 10, 135 by 4. Now divide 135 to 4. Okay. 4 3s are 12. Remaining 1, 4. 4 4s are 16. Therefore 4 3s are again 12. 3 remainder. Here this is the Q and this is R and this is D. Therefore Q or D4. Q or by D4, that is equals to Q is equals to 33, R is 3 and by 4. 4 is the divisor. Next 7 into 2 1 by 4. 7 into, now convert it into improper. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9 by 4. Okay. 63 by 4. 9 7 is 63 by 4. Now convert it into mixed fraction. 4 1s are 4. 23. 4 5s are 20. That is 3 is the remainder. Okay students. Now we have to write to Q or by D4. Q is here 15, or is 3 and this is the D. That is Q is 15. 3 by 4. Okay students. Now 4 into 3 6 is 18 plus 1 is 19 by 3. That is equals to 19 7 is 76 divided by 3. That is divided by 3. We will get 3 2s are 6. 1 3 5s are 15. The remainder is 1. This is Q and this is R and this is D. We have to write it in the Q or by D form. That is nothing but Q is equals to 25. Remainder is 1 and divisor is 3. Okay students, are you following? Now 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 by 4 into 6. 13 6 78 by 4. That is 4 into 4. 78 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 38. 4 nines are 36. Remainder is 2. This is the portion. Remainder is 2. QRD form is 19. Okay. 2 by 4. Okay. Next. Next one is on the F. One is left now. Okay, you can do it yourself. Okay. Let us come to the end of my class. Keep watching my videos and do subscribe. Thank you for watching, students.